Convicted killer Robert Long was back in court today, this time in Fulton County, where he's accused of killing 4 spa workers in Atlanta in 2021.
Long is already serving prison time for similar crimes in Cherokee County. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is live at the Fulton County Courthouse with more on today's hearing. Deidre?
That's right. Russ Long was in court for today's proceedings. He showed no emotion in the courtroom as a and what will be a week-long proceeding of evidentiary hearings as they hear various motions in this case. Now, he currently has been charged here in Fulton County with 4 murders from 2021. He is accused of killing 4 spa workers here. Now, the 25-year-old is currently serving multiple life sentences after pleading guilty to killing 4 people at a massage parlor in Cherokee County in that same day, in that same year in 2021. Fulton DA Fonnie Willis has said she will seek the death penalty in this case. Long faces 19 charges in Fulton County, including felony murder and domestic terrorism. He was arrested just hours after the shooting and told investigators back then that he targeted the businesses because he blamed them for fueling his sex addiction. Several of Long's pending motions challenge Georgia's death penalty process, including one that argues the state's lethal injection law is unconstitutional. Now, today in court, Long's attorneys asked the judge to bar media from the pretrial hearings, arguing that media coverage would taint the jury pool. They called a legal expert to testify today.
Obviously, there's different types of bias, but when we talk about pretrial publicity bias, we find it doesn't matter. You know, pretrial publicity bias, you know, it doesn't matter who you are, it affects you.
What you did not hear in any of the testimony presented in this court today is that the media who's reporting on pretrial hearings is doing so in any inaccurate, irresponsible, inflammatory way. And that's essentially what the court has to determine whether to close a courtroom. There's something that overarchingly calls for that.
Now, you did hear there the prosecutor in response pushing back on the defense's argument, saying that there was no case to bar the media from the courtroom. The judge listening to both sides. He did not make a decision today. He said that he is going to ask for the media to come in and argue their case as to why the media should be allowed to cover the pretrial hearings. And we do expect to see media in court representatives on Thursday for that. The evidentiary hearing will continue throughout the week, and we'll continue to bring the latest court proceedings to you. For now, that's the latest here in Fulton County. Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
All right, Deidre, thanks for the latest there. A DeKalb County